Watch and do this with me. Lift your cheekbone up and drop it. If your skin drops back and your nasolabial fold appears again, that means gravity is pulling your face down. Now, how is a cream going to push it back up? Think about that, because this is a moment where most people start wasting time and money. Let's simplify this. Think of your face like a backpack. When it's full on top, it looks lifted, structured, even, balanced. But over time, everything starts to drop and collapse inside. Now the top looks hollow and the weight sits at the bottom, creating an imbalance. That's exactly what's happening to your face. And this is the part nobody explains clearly. Your cheek muscles weaken, so your face fat pads slowly shift downward. Your structure loses support. So what you start seeing is hollowed, scooped out cheeks here, but heavier lower face and the jowls forming. And here is the uncomfortable truth. It didn't happen suddenly. It was happening silently for years. But once you cross your 40s, this process speeds up. And if you ignore it now, this is where women start saying, I suddenly look tired even when I'm not. Or worse, my face just doesn't look like me anymore. But here is the shift. If lifting your cheeks lifts your jowls, we don't chase the problem. We fix the source, that is the dropping cheeks. And we do it in 3 steps. Not 1, 3. Because this is where most people fail. They do one thing but expect full results. So step 1 is strengthening. Start with this. Grab a wine cork. Place it between your lips, not your teeth. Now try to smile. Stay with me here. If you don't feel this in your cheeks, you're doing it wrong. Your lips cannot help, and that's what the cork does. It restricts your lips from helping. But your cheeks have to lift. It's like your cheeks are trying to smile without the help of your lips. Because what happens typically when you smile, your lips and cheek muscles are working together. But now the cheeks have to do it by themselves. If the cheeks have to do it by themselves, they have to work harder. And that's what we want. Do 15 to 20 lifts. Hold each lift for up to 3 seconds. Complete 3 sets. And no, doing it once won't change your face, because your face didn't sag in one day. But here's what most women notice very quickly. By the 3rd set, or even within the first few days, this movement becomes easier. Your cheek muscles start activating faster. They begin holding themselves higher. And that stiffness in your face, in your neck, and even the weight that has been on your jowls start to release. It starts to soften. And this is important. Take your before pictures, because you need to see what's changing, not just guess. So step 1 was strengthening. Step 2 is stretch. After 1 set, puff your cheeks and tilt your chin up, hands on your chest. Now slowly move your chin from one shoulder to another, like a rainbow. Do this for about 20 seconds. Don't rush this. This is what helps release that tension that keeps pulling your face downward. Now, after strengthening and stretching, 3rd step is massage. Now we release what's sitting and stagnating. Use your Kansa wand and spend about 30 seconds on this area, right below the jowls, right here. This will help release the fluid buildup and support proper drainage. After 30 seconds, take your knuckles and gently wiggle them upward from your jowls to the corner of your lips. Slowly keep going up towards your cheekbones. Do this for about 20 seconds and then go back to your next set. Yes, you need to do 3 sets of this whole routine. Now understand this. This is not just movement. You are activating your muscle. You are supporting lymphatic flow. You are releasing fascia. You are rebuilding structure. Your face is not just skin. Skin is what you see. Underneath that, you have your muscles, you have fat, fascia, even bone. And when you train it correctly, you're supporting all of these layers and your face evolves. And this is where you have to make a decision. You can keep adding to your face, or you can start training it. When something is added, like Botox or fillers, it changes how you look. Often you start to look less like yourself and more like everybody else doing the same thing. But when something is trained, your face evolves with you. You don't look like someone else. You look like a more stronger, more lifted version of yourself. And this is what you want to understand. This is not about fixing your face. It is about learning how to support it. Because here's what most women experience. It takes them years for this drop to to happen. But when it shows, it feels like it happened overnight, suddenly. And suddenly your face starts to look heavier, older, and tired. What I showed you today is a start. But just like your body, your face needs consistency. It needs structure. It needs a routine. If you're tired of trying random things and not seeing real change, this is where you need to stop guessing and start training your face with intention. My 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program is linked in the description. It is made just for you. It's a simple, guided, watch and follow routine designed to help you stay consistent. You can also use the promo code Mastery15 to get 15% off discount, and for a limited time you have 6 months access to this program. So you don't just watch it once, you repeat it every time your 21 days are up. So your face keeps evolving and you see consistent results. And if you're an absolute beginner and you're new to my platform, first of all, hit that subscribe button. Before my 21-day Face Yoga program, you can even start with my 567 Face Restoration Challenge. Just comment 567 if you're watching this on Instagram, and I'll send this in your inbox. And of course, it'll be linked in my description under my YouTube video. Either ways, do not miss this. 5 proven methods, 6 days, and 7 minutes a day. That's my 567 Face Restoration Challenge. You have nothing to lose, but a lot to gain if you stay consistent. Before you go, tell me if you felt your cheeks working out today, if you could start to see a difference in your jowls in the next few days. Comment section is open. That's what you use it for. Do let me know if it got easier after the first few days. I'm Parmita Katkar, your face yoga and self-image coach. And remember, you don't need to inject your face when you can train it with me. So continue to blush with me.